Do people laugh when you speak English? Does your mind go blank? Today, I'll show you how a shy student changed everything with just one simple method. Stay with me. Hello everyone. Today I want to share a story with you. A story about a young student who was afraid to speak English. Maybe you feel the same way. Maybe people laugh at you too. But listen carefully, because this story will change how you think about learning English. There was a student. Let's call him Ollie. Ollie came to class one day and said, "Teacher, I have a problem. When I speak English, people laugh at me. They smile and talk to each other. I feel very bad. I think my English is weak." The teacher listened carefully and said, "Ollie, don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. You just need practice and confidence." But Ollie felt sad. He said, "Teacher, my friends speak fast. I don't understand them. When I try to talk, my words are wrong. They laugh and I feel nervous." The teacher smiled and said, "You are not alone. Many students feel like you. Let's practice together. We will use simple English. We will start with simple present tense." So they started. The teacher said, "Ollie, tell me about your morning. What do you do when you wake up?" Ollie thought for a moment and said, I wake up at 7. "Good," the teacher said. "Now say it again slowly." "I wake up at 7. Ollie repeated, "I wake up at 7. "Perfect. Now, what do you do after that?" "I brush my teeth," Ollie answered. "Excellent. Now say both sentences together." Ollie took a breath and said, "I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth." The teacher was happy. You see, you can speak English. You just need to go slowly and use simple words. They continued practicing. Ollie said, "I wash my face. I take a shower. I eat breakfast." "What do you eat for breakfast?" the teacher asked. "I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink milk." "Very good, Ollie. You are using simple present tense correctly." They practiced more. Ollie talked about his day. "I go to school at 8. I study English. I talk to my friends. I come home at 1. I eat lunch with my family." The teacher was proud. "Ollie, you just spoke many correct sentences. You see, simple English is powerful English." But Ollie still had doubts. He said, "Teacher, sometimes I forget words. My mind stops. I don't know what to say." The teacher understood. "That happens to everyone, Ollie. When you forget a word, don't stop. Use another easy word. Speak slowly. Remember, the goal is to communicate, not to be perfect." Days passed. Ollie practiced every day. He spoke in front of the mirror. He said his daily routine again and again. "I wake up. I brush my teeth. I go to school." One day, Ollie came back to class and said, "Teacher, yesterday I spoke English with my friends. They laughed again. I felt very bad. I wanted to stop speaking." The teacher looked at Ollie with kind eyes. "Ollie, listen to me carefully. When people laugh, it doesn't mean your English is bad. It means you are trying and they are not. You are learning, and that is something to be proud of." "But teacher, when I talk, I forget words. Everyone looks at me. I feel so small." "That's okay. Even native speakers forget words sometimes. You are learning a new language. Mistakes are not bad. They help you grow." The teacher continued, "Ollie, don't think about what people say. Think about what you want to say. Take a deep breath, smile, speak slowly." Ollie listened carefully. The teacher said, "Let's practice again. Say these sentences with me. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school." Ollie repeated clearly, "I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school." Beautiful, you see? Simple and clear. That's perfect English. They practice questions too. "Do you like music?" "Yes, I do." "Does she go to school?" "Yes, she does." Ollie learned to talk about his family. "My father works in an office. He drives a car. My mother cooks food. She cleans the house. My brother plays football. He studies math." The teacher was very happy. "Ollie, you are improving fast. Remember these rules. With he, she, or it, we add s to the verb. He works, she cooks. It rains." "I understand now," Ollie said with a smile. Weeks passed. Ollie kept practicing. One day, he spoke English with his classmates again. They laughed a little, but this time Ollie didn't feel bad. He remembered his teacher's words. He smiled and continued speaking. Ollie came to class and said, "Teacher, today I spoke slowly with my friends. They laughed, but I didn't stop. I just smiled and kept talking." The teacher was so proud. "Ollie, that's real courage. Every time you speak, you become better. You are not competing with anyone. You are learning for yourself." Ollie felt stronger now. He said, "Teacher, I want to speak English so I can talk to people everywhere." That's a wonderful goal, Ollie. English helps you connect with the world. But remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being brave. Ollie learned something important that day. Learning English is not a race. It's a journey. Every small sentence matters. Every mistake teaches you something new. Now Ollie speaks English every day. He talks to himself in the mirror. He reads simple stories. He listens to English songs. And most importantly, he doesn't care when people laugh. He knows he is learning, and that's what matters. So, my dear friends, remember Ollie's story. Don't be afraid to speak. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak slowly. Use simple words. Practice every day. Say, "I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to school." Make English part of your daily life. If Ollie can do it, you can do it too. Be brave, be confident, and keep learning. If this story helped you, watch my next video where I'll teach you 20 simple sentences you can use every day. Don't forget to practice. See you in the next lesson. Keep speaking, keep learning. Goodbye.